Predictive forecasting is powered by data science, which uses multiple data sources such as past sales data, economic trends, customer behavior, and searches. This gives e-commerce businesses an advantage by presenting suitable items to potential consumers. Machine learning and artificial intelligence enable retailers to generate predictions based on what customers enjoy even before they decide to hunt for a product or if they want something specific. ML and AI do this by evaluating client behavioral trends and establishing a link between previous transactions. Customer sentiment research is important in identifying future sales prospects and the target demographic, allowing for direct marketing methods and sales promotion. Data science is important in researching trends and detecting patterns in customer behavior and brand attitudes. Analysts might utilize data science to examine purchasing trends and devise plans to enhance sales and store goods more effectively. Businesses may also use data analytics to estimate sales and demand, which allows them to make better decisions about advertising or stockpiling certain items. How data science boosting sales recommendation systems? Data science fuels recommendation systems that are all solely dependent on user prior data, as well as the extensive usage of ML and AI to assist e-commerce businesses in providing more relevant and accurate suggestions. This works well and appears to propose things that users would constantly want to buy or show interest in. Increased sales result from putting the correct product in front of the right buyer. Inventory management. Data science enables established e-commerce enterprises and startups to better manage their inventories. This indirectly assists businesses in avoiding wasting cash on unpopular items that are not selling well and do not require replenishing. Because e-commerce organizations deal with hundreds of consumers and thousands of items on a daily basis, advanced data science is essential for precise inventory management and predictive forecasting for future needs. Customer experience and customer service. With the use of feedback and analytics, data science helps to ease and improve customer experience by automating many functions and making routine tasks easier. These solutions might range from fully automated experiences to simplified navigation. Data science is also useful in advertising analytics. Furthermore, advertising platforms use AI and ML to accomplish numerous activities such as audience targeting through behavior and other characteristics such as demographics. Notably, data science enables e-commerce businesses to perform targeted advertising campaigns. From virtual assistants to personalized recommendation engines, machine learning helps online sales in a variety of ways. For example, ML can assist in converting more surfers or prospects into instant purchases by providing personalized suggestions that increase the odds of conversion. It also aids in the acquisition of new clients based on prior data. Data science gives e-commerce behemoths the ability to reach out to customers and provide them with a customized experience. This is almost likely improving the shopping experience for customers and increasing online sales for many e-commerce businesses. Data science has shown to be quite beneficial in acquiring consumers and increasing profitability. To keep yourself updated with data science and its application, subscribe to Learnbay and don't forget to like the video.